ईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ ईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ ईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्।
मंगलचरणा गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
गजवदना शुभानना
गजवदना शुभानना
गजवदना शुभानना
गजवदना शुभानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक
विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक
विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक
विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक
गौरीतनया गजानना
गौरीतनया गजानना
गौरीतनया गजानना
गौरीतनया गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
गजवदना शुभानना
गजवदना शुभानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक
विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक
गौरीतनया गजानना
गौरीतनया गजानना
गौरीतनया गजानना
गौरीतनया गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना।
वनमाली राधारमण गिरिधारी गोविन्द
वनमाली राधारमण गिरिधारी गोविन्द
वनमाली राधारमण गिरिधारी गोविन्द
वनमाली राधारमण गिरिधारी गोविन्द
नीलमेघ सुन्दरा नारायण गोविन्द
नीलमेघ सुन्दरा नारायण गोविन्द
नीलमेघ सुन्दरा नारायण गोविन्द
नीलमेघ सुन्दरा नारायण गोविन्द
वनमाली राधारमण गिरिधारी गोविन्द
वनमाली राधारमण गिरिधारी गोविन्द
भक्त हृदय मंदारा भानुकोटि सुंदरा
भक्तहृदय मंदारा भानुकोटि सुन्दरा
भक्त हृदय मंदारा भानुकोटि सुंदरा
भक्तहृदय मंदारा भानुकोटि सुन्दरा
नंद नंद गोप वृंद नारायण गोविंद
नन्द नन्द गोपवृन्द नारायण गोविन्द
नंद नंद गोप वृंद नारायण गोविंद
नन्द नन्द गोपवृन्द नारायण गोविन्द
वनमाली राधारमण गिरिधारी गोविंद
वनमाली राधारमण गिरिधारी गोविन्द
नीलमेघ सुन्दरा नारायण गोविंद
नीलमेघ सुन्दरा नारायण गोविन्द
वनमाली राधारमण गिरिधारी गोविंद
वनमाली राधारमण गिरिधारी गोविन्द
भक्त हृदय मंदारा भानुकोटि सुंदरा
भक्तहृदय मंदारा भानुकोटि सुन्दरा
नंद नंद गोप वृंद नारायण गोविंद
नन्द नन्द गोपवृन्द नारायण गोविन्द
नंद नंद गोप वृंद नारायण गोविंद
नन्द गोपवृन्द नारायण गोविन्द
नारायण गोविंद
नारायण गोविन्द
नारायण गोविंद
नारायण
नारायण
गोविन्द
गोविंद
नारायण गोविन्द
नारायण गोविंद नारायण 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 गोविंद नारायण 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 गोविंद नारायण गोविंद नारायण गोविंद हरि हरि नारायण गोविंद 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 नारायण 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 गोविंद नारायण 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 गोविंद नारायण गोविंद नारायण गोविंद हरि हरि नारायण गोविंद वनमाली राधारमण गिरिधारी गोविंद
पार करो उद्धार करो प्रभु पतिपुरी भगवान
पार करो उद्धार करो प्रभु पतिपुरी भगवान
पार करो उद्धार भगवान।
हरे राम 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 घन श्याम 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 हे साईनाथ भगवान।
हरे राम 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 घन श्याम 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 हे साईनाथ भगवान।
हरे राम 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 घन श्याम 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 हे साईनाथ भगवान।
दीन दया कर करुणा मूर्ति कलियुग अवतार साई भगवान।
दीन दया कर करुणा मूर्ति कलियुग अवतार साई भगवान।
दीन दया कर करुणा मूर्ति कलियुग अवतार साई भगवान।
दीन दया कर करुणा मूर्ति कलियुग अवतार साई भगवान।
अल्लाह साई बुद्ध ज़ोराष्ट्र यीशु क्रिस्तु 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 भगवान।
पार करो उद्धार करो प्रभुपतिपुरी भगवान।
पार करो उद्धार करो प्रभुपतिपुरी भगवान।
हरे राम 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 घन श्याम 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 हे साईनाथ भगवान।
हरे राम 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 घन श्याम 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 हे साईनाथ भगवान।
दीन दया कर करुणा मूर्ति कलियुग अवतार साई भगवान।
दीन दया कर करुणा मूर्ति कलियुग अवतार साई भगवान।
अल्लाह साई बुद्ध ज़ोराष्ट्र यीशु क्रिस्तु 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 भगवान।
पार करो उद्धार करो प्रभुपतिपुरी भगवान।
साई तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम।
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 शरण में ले लो साई प्रभो।
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 साई तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम।
साई तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम।
तुम हो मेरे माता पिता साई।
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 तुम हो मेरे बंधु सखा।
तुम हो मेरे बंधु सखा।
तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम।
साई तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम।
शरण में ले लो साई प्रभो।
शरण में ले लो साई प्रभो।
साई तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम।
साई तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम।
तुम हो मेरे माता पिता साई।
तुम हो मेरे माता पिता साई।
तुम हो मेरे बंधु सखा।
तुम हो मेरे बंधु सखा।
तुम हो मेरे सब कुछ साई।
तुम हो मेरे सब कुछ साई।
दीजो हमको शरण तुम्हारी।
जो हमको शरण तुम्हारी।
दीजो हमको शरण तुम्हारी।
जो हमको शरण तुम्हारी।
साई तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम।
संकट हरणा श्री साई रमणा।
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 पंकज चरणा नमो नमो।
पंकज चरणा नमो नमो।
पंकज चरणा नमो नमो।
पंकज चरणा नमो नमो।
वेदोद्धरणा वेङ्कटरमणा।
वेदोद्धरणा वेङ्कटरमणा।
वेदोद्धरणा वेङ्कटरमणा।
वेदोद्धरणा वेङ्कटरमणा।
लक्ष्मीनारायण नमो नमो।
लक्ष्मीनारायण नमो नमो।
साई नारायण नमो नमो।
साई नारायण नमो नमो।
नमो 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 नमो।
नमो 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 नमो।
नमो 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 नमो।
नमो 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 नमो।
पंकज चरणा नमो नमो।
पंकज चरणा नमो नमो।
पंकज चरणा नमो नमो।
पंकज चरणा नमो नमो।
संकट हरणा श्री साई रमणा।
संकट हरणा श्री साई रमणा।
पंकज चरणा नमो नमो।
पंकज चरणा नमो नमो।
वेदोद्धरणा वेङ्कटरमणा।
वेदोद्धरणा वेङ्कटरमणा।
लक्ष्मीनारायण पङ्कजचरणा नमो नमो
पङ्कजचरणा नमो
पङ्कजचरणा नमो नमो
पङ्कजचरणा नमो
सङ्कटहरणा श्री साई रमणा
पाण्डुरङ्ग विठ्ठले हरिनारायण हरिनारायण गोविन्दा
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 विठ्ठले हरिनारायण हरिनारायण गोविन्दा
पाण्डुरङ्ग विठ्ठले हरिनारायण हरिनारायण गोविन्दा
विठ्ठले हरिनारायण हरिनारायण गोविन्दा
पाण्डुरङ्ग विठ्ठले हरिनारायण हरिनारायण गोविन्दा
विठ्ठले हरिनारायण हरिनारायण गोविन्दा
पाण्डुरङ्ग विठ्ठले हरिनारायण हरिनारायण गोविन्दा
पाण्डुरङ्ग विठ्ठले हरिनारायण हरिनारायण गोविन्दा
भज नारायण गोविन्दा
भज नारायण गोविन्दा
साई नारायण गोविन्दा
साई नारायण गोविन्दा
पाण्डुरङ्ग विठ्ठले हरिनारायण हरिनारायण 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 गोविन्दा
पाण्डुरङ्ग विठ्ठले हरिनारायण
हरिनारायण हरिनारायण गोविन्दा घन घन नील वदन अति सुंदर
घन नील वदन अति सुंदर
घन घन नील वदन अति सुंदर
घन नील वदन अति सुंदर
मेघ श्यामल माधव मुरहर
मेघ श्यामल माधव मुरहर
मेघ श्यामल माधव मुरहर
मेघ श्यामल माधव मुरहर
घन घन नील बदन अति सुंदर
घन नील वदन अति सुंदर
मंद स्मित मुख राधा मनोहर
मंद स्मित मुख राधा मनोहर
मंद स्मित मुख राधा मनोहर
स्मित मुख राधा मनोहर
गोविंद गोपाल नटवर गिरिधर
गोविंद गोपाल नटवर गिरिधर
गोविंद गोपाल नटवर गिरिधर
गोविंद गोपाल नटवर गिरिधर
मेघ श्यामल माधव मुरहर
मेघ श्यामल माधव मुरहर
मेघ श्यामल माधव मुरहर
मेघ श्यामल माधव मुरहर
घन घन नील बदन अति सुंदर
घन नील वदन अति सुंदर
मेघ श्यामल माधव मुरहर
मेघ श्यामल माधव मुरहर
घन घन नील बदन अति सुंदर
घन घन नील वदन अति सुंदर
मंद स्मित मुख राधा मनोहर
मंद स्मित मुख राधा मनोहर
गोविंद गोपाल नटवर गिरिधर
गोविंद गोपाल नटवर गिरिधर
मेघ श्यामल माधव मुरहर
मेघ श्यामल माधव मुरहर
मेघ श्यामल माधव मुरहर
मेघ श्यामल माधव मुरहर
घन घन नील वदन अति सुंदर
गोविंद गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी गोविंद गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी गोविंद गोपाल हृदय बिहारी गोविंद गोपाल हृदय विहारी गोविंद गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी नवनीत चोरा नंद कुमारा नवनीत चोरा उदय विहारा बड़ा चित्त चोरा उदय विहारा बड़ा चित्त चोरा गोविंदा गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी गोविंदा गोपाल हृदय विहारी गोविंदा गोपाल हृदय विहारी गोविंदा गोपाल हृदय विहारी गोविंदा गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी नंद कुमार नवनीत चोरा नंद कुमार नवनीत चोरा उदय विहारा बड़ा चित्त चोरा उदय विहारा बड़ा चित्त चोरा गोविंदा गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी प्रभु गिरिधारी
Her. Even if it is the smallest prayer, it depends on how we connect to Him. On my 25th wedding anniversary, I came to Puttaparthi to see Swami. Swami had got me married in Brindavan. So 25th anniversary from US, my husband and I came. Swami talked to us with a lot of love and grace. I said, Swami, 25 years. He said, yeah, I know you are becoming old, he said. So, yes, Swami, I am becoming old. He said, look at me, I always look young. You are becoming old, he said. So, yes, Swami has been my mother, my friend, jokes, everything. And Swami, I said, I have never seen Shirdi, Swami. Can I go to Shirdi? He said, oh, you have not seen Shirdi? Go and see the old man, he said. So, Swami, shall I go? He said, yes, go. When you go to Shirdi, he gave me the whole topography of Shirdi. He said, go and see Dwarka Mai. Then there is a family there where Shirdi Baba gave 9 coins, Navavidha Bhakti. They have put it in a frame. You go and see that. The whole Shirdi scenario where the road goes. Then he told me there is a Gujarati restaurant. You go and eat there because there is no garlic and onion, because I don't eat garlic. Everything he told me. Go to Gujarati restaurant. Food will suit you. Little sweet, but it will suit you. Everything he told me about Shirdi, as though he was going with us. Then he said, you go and you come, don't worry about food, everything will be fine, because for me food is an issue. I don't eat garlic, I don't eat onion, so it's an issue wherever I go. So Swami gave us permission. We went to Shirdi, had beautiful darshan there, went to every street thinking of this lovely Swami as an old man walking these streets, crying in many places where he may have begged for food. This Swami, now in this life, when we give him food, he doesn't want to eat. But in the previous incarnation, he had to beg for food. What is this Maya of these avatars also? So we went around, enjoyed everything, got into the train. That KK Express from Delhi to Bangalore was 9 hours late. So we had eaten and went and stood in that station. There's nothing there in the station to eat. We got into the train. It was almost 6:30 or 7 in the evening. And I was just starving. I was so hungry. And they gave food in the train, but I couldn't eat it because it had garlic. So we were sitting and my husband was scolding me, saying, eat something. How can you go till tomorrow morning Bangalore without eating anything? So I was sitting. And finally, he's my mother, he's my father, he's my friend. So I started to scold him. I said, what is this? This Swami said, don't worry about the food. And here I am starving in some KK Express, which is 9 hours late. And full of mosquitoes also. So I said, where's this? No food, nothing. Why did he tell us to go to Shirdi? We could have just been happy seeing him only in Prashanti Nilayam. All this, when you are hungry, you get angry. Swami always says, when you're hungry, you get angry. So I was getting angry. And my husband said, why you are scolding Swami? There's plenty of other food. But this is an express train. It doesn't stop anywhere even to get chai. So we were sitting there. Around 10 o'clock, it stopped at some station, I don't remember. And there was some hangama going on, lot of noise in the train. And then one police officer entered our little coupe where 4 people can stay, you know. He entered. And suddenly he started to dust out everything, put one sheet on the opposite seat, you know, what's going on. And then this very nice, smart-looking young lady, maybe in her early 40s, walked in. And she said, oh, hello, how are you? And, you know, somebody saluted her. So we knew she was some VIP. She came and sat there, and then they went away. And I started to talk to her, and she said, well, we said, we are from the US, we are just visiting. Oh, and she said, oh, my husband is the collector of Anantapur district in Andhra Pradesh. I am collector of some other district in Tamil. We are both IAS officers. And, you know, I am traveling to Bangalore to meet him. And we all said, oh, we are also Sai Baba's devotees, we told her. So we started to chat. She said, yes, my husband as a collector went to see him. I am not a devotee, neither was my husband. When he went there, he gave a ring, something she told us. And while we were talking, suddenly 2 more police officers came, saluted her, and they brought one huge carrier and set up one disposer, you know, one of those portable tables for her. So she was feeling very embarrassed because, you know, this huge dabba for one lady, you know, as tall as me. So she said, you know, why don't you please share the food with me? Because they will feel very hurt if I don't eat. I'm not really hungry. Why don't you share the food? So of course our ears were very sharp. You know, we are hungry as it is. So then she said, but we don't know whether she is vegetarian, non-vegetarian. We don't know what the food in the dabba there. So we said, okay, thing. She said, no, there's only one problem. So I said, okay, gone. She probably says she has got chicken or something, you know. I can't eat. So she says, no, there's only one problem. I don't eat onions or garlic. So the food will probably be a little mild, you know, without onion and garlic. If you don't mind that, I'd love to share. I said, are you crazy? We want food without onion and garlic. So while the poor lady ate little bit, we both were hogging away from her dabba. You know. Finished. So then we both, my husband and I, looked at each other. See, even in a moment of anger, if your heart connects to him and says, Swami, you promised me, where are you? You have to connect. You have to connect to him. So we came to Bangalore. Following day went to Parthi because we had to. Swami had said, after you go and see, come and tell me how your trip. So we went to Prashanti Nilayam. He calls us inside. And he said, Shirdi etlunindi, how was Shirdi? Very nice, Swami. You saw everything? Yes, Swami, we saw this, we saw that. And then he said, yeah, you were crying thinking about me begging. Begging was not for food. Begging was for love. He said, begging was not for food. Begging was for love. Begging for love. God begs for the love of his devotees. I was begging. All that he said. Yes, Swami, went very nice, Swami, due to your grace. Then he said, before I could send the lady, how much you want to scold me? The station has to come. It's an express train. Train has to stop and the lady has to get in. Before she gets in, you are scolding me. What can I do? No patience. No patience. Yes, Swami. See, no food, no garlic, no onion, right? Yes, Swami. No onion, no garlic. I know. Enjoy. So this is that Swami. He will respond to the way we think of him. You think of him as far away, he is far away. You think of him as near, he is near. It's all in our own mind. So my brothers Arun and Varun, my sons Arun and Varun were young. And we were in the interview room and Swami was talking to them with a lot of love. What are you boys doing? Which grade are you? How many marks and all that. And then Swami suddenly said, hey boys, both of my sons sing quite well, and one plays the harmonium and the other plays the tabla for our Sai Center in South Bethesda in Washington DC. We have one of the oldest centers in the US. Every Sunday we get about 350 to 400 people who attend the bhajan, and we have very, very good bhajan. We do a lot of different activities. Anyway, my two sons have grown up in that center. So, hey boys, what do you want? He asked. They were just 9-10 years old. So they said, Swami, we want to be near you. We don't want to be so far away in America. We want to be near you. Where are you now? We are very far, Swami. We are in America, Washington, D.C. They were trying to explain geography to Swami. This Lord who has created the whole universe. Very far. Washington, D.C., very far? So immediately the children, yes, Swami, very far. It takes 1.5 days to get there by flight. So Swami also, to give the children a chance to talk. Then he said, you know how to spell far? Yes, how to spell? Yes, Swami, we know F-A-R, far. Oh, how do you spell near? N-E-A-R, near. You are not far or near to me, it is all in your heart. So no, Swami, we are very far, Swami. We want to be very near. So he said, you know what far is? F-A-R. Father, he said, pointing to himself. Father, A, always are ready. Father, always ready. You only have to call. You know what near is spelling? N-E-A-R. You are near physically, N-E-A-R. But what is the use? N, never. E, enlightened. A, always. R, repeating. Always repeating the same mistakes and never enlightened. But physically you are near. What is the use? It is better to be far away and call Father. Father always ready to come. What is the use of being physically near but never enlightened but making the same mistakes? So, Bangaru, the physical distance is not important. How far I am, how near you are, that's not important. Heart has to call out. Heart has to be near. Heart has to be filled with. So that is far and near for Swami. For Swami who can instantaneously be in any place at any time, the distance is not important. Even his physical form is not present. It is not important because he is not that form. He is the energy that is within the form. Once I asked him, Swami, is your leg hurting? Because Swami was limping. Leg hurting? He said, I am not this body, I am energy. Why are you asking about my leg? Ask about me. He said, what does that mean? That is energy. So even his physical presence being absent doesn't mean anything. So quickly he can come to your response to you. I just want to finish up with one last thing, that what Swami expects us as devotees to become. He has set a very high goal. It's very difficult for us to reach that goal, but the goal has to be high. If we want to become better, we want to become better spiritual beings. So I will tell you this small incident and then I will end and let you all get on with your evening. I was very fortunate. I spent all my birthdays either in Prashanti Nilayam or in Vrindavan when I was a child. And I used to take roses for my birthday. When I turned 20 years of age, Swami asked me when I went for my birthday, how old are you today? I said, Swami, I am 20. Oh, 20. What are the two numbers in 20? 2 and 0, I said. Oh, really? 2 and 0. What does 2 stand for? I said, I don't know, Swami. With Swami, better to say I don't know. Because whatever you tell, he will tell a different thing. So I don't know, Swami. Shraddha, Bhakti. You all know what Shraddha and Bhakti is: sincerity, faith and devotion. He said at the age of 20, you must develop Shraddha and Bhakti, devotion and sincerity, faith in God. Go and practice, he told me. Go and practice. So I said, okay, for a few days, we are very sincere about everything. Few more days, we show a lot of love. After that, back to usual. Went on. Every year I used to go for birthday. After that, nothing. He never asked me anything. 10 years went by. I turned 30. He said, how old are you today? 30, Swami. Oh, 30? What numbers? 3 and 0. What does 30 mean? I don't know, Swami. Trikarna Shuddhi. Purity in thought, word and action. I told you, 20 is what? Shraddha Bhakti. I've given you 10 years. If you have been practicing that for 10 years, Shraddha and Bhakti, at the age of 30, you must be able to start practicing purity of thought, word and action. Trikarna Shuddhi. Go practice. Finished. 3 days, you are very truthful. You don't want to think bad things. Don't want to say bad things. After that, back to normal. Years went by. 40th birthday, I came from USA now. How old? He asked me. 40, Swami. Oh, getting on in age. 40. Yes, Swami. Now I was ready. What number? He's going to ask. Only that time he asked that. What numbers? 4 and 0. What does it stand for? I don't know, Swami. I know 20 and 30, Swami. What is 20 and 30? Shraddha, Bhakti, Trikarna Shuddhi. I know it. I have not practiced. That's why I said, I don't say I have learnt at his feet. Because we only have the knowledge. We are not practicing. 4. He said 40. 4 Purusharthas, he said. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. Dharma, righteousness. Artha, wealth. Kama, desire. Moksha, liberation. Dharma, Artha. Earn your wealth. Earn your Artha dharmically. Earn your wealth with Dharma. Kama, Moksha. Have the desire for moksha. Not for the shopping I went today with Vidya. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. 40. Go practice. If you have done Trikarna Shuddhi, that should be easy, no? If you have been practicing purity, then the desires automatically go down. Go practice. Finished. 40. Again for few days, everything happens. After that, back to the mundane world. And then years went by, I didn't get a chance. Swami never asked me after that. So years went by. It was my father's 80th birthday. I'll take 2 more minutes by sir. It was my father's 80th birthday. And we were sitting in the interview room and Swami had a beautiful celebration for my father. He got up from the chair and hugged my father and said, Padmanabh, you have come to me at the age of 21. You are 80 today. You were 21, I was 18. He told everybody, Padmanabh is older than me. I always listen to whatever he tells me. You were 21, I was 18. Today you are 80. You are my Hanuman, he said. And gave him a Hanuman pendant and I hugged him. I don't like to be without you. Why don't you come with me all the time? I don't like to be without you. So very beautiful celebration for my father. It was a very emotional thing for all of us. And he sat down and he looked at my father. I told you he was a man of very few words. Padmanabh, how old again are you? 80. What is the meaning of the 80th birthday? So I am getting ready now. I know that face and laser eyes will turn to me. I have had so much practice. My father said, I don't know, Swami. For everything my father will say, I don't know, Swami. Amy, what is 80th? He asked me. What is 80th? What number? 8 and 0. What does it mean? I said, Swami, what happened to 50, 60 and 70? You are jumping from 40 to 80. He said, okay, tell them what it is. So I told everybody in the room, 20 Shraddha, Bhakti, 30 Trikarna Shuddhi, 40 Purusharthas. Swami, I don't know 50. So look at this lovely Lord. You don't know 50? Very easy. 50. 5 senses, control. 50. Control the 5 senses. If you have reduced your desires, your desire is for moksha and you are doing dharmic life, very easy. 5 senses always under control. Because body is made up of 5 elements. You have to control the sense. Then what is 66? Oh, those 6 Shadripus, those 6 enemies. You know, Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya, all this lust and desire and anger. You have to start practicing that. He said, I am giving you 10 years time for each. 10 years, 60. 70, if you have done all this, you have controlled all the enemies, 6 enemies. At the age of 70, you should become like the Saptarishi. 7 great rishis. See, the 7 rishis, they can live on the earth, they can walk into heaven. They are both here and there because they have a human body. So you should become like the Saptarishis. At the age of 80, you should become like the Ashtadikpalakas, the 8 deities that look after the 8 directions. All they do, they serve the Lord. That's it. Nothing else. 8 directions. They just serve the Lord. If you are like that, at the age of 90, you will become like the Navagrahas, the 9 planets. What do the Navagrahas do? They go around the sun. Nothing else. Go on around the Lord all the time. 9 Navagrahas. Then you become 100 years, which is supposed to be a human lifetime. What is 100? 100. You and I are one. One. You are back to one. So beautifully he explained what is the goal of human life. Having such a high goal, having met in this beautiful hall, which you all have the good fortune of being able to meet, I hope that all of us, together in this journey towards him, will remember a few things that he has told us and try to bring it into our own lives. Thank
ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपदान्धवा ओम जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदैवमु मरियन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्रशयन ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी हो साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
असतो मा सत्तमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया असतो मा सत्तमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया असतो मा सत्तमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया
समस्त लोक सुखिनो भवन्तु। समस्त लोक सुखिनो भवन्तु। समस्त लोक सुखिनो भवन्तु।
शांति शांति शांति